Let us say we have a function add numbers that takes two numbers and returns the sum of these numbers x plus y. So this is a valid function, and if I call add numbers with 2 and 3, and then if I add a console.log around this, then I should see a value which is 5, right? So here return statement is there, so this API or this function will return x plus y. Once it is returned here, it is replaced, and then console.log that replaced value, which is 5 in this case. Now in JavaScript, these functions can also be defined as expressions. What does that mean? It means that if I say let x is equal to add numbers, if I'm defining a function here, so basically I will be able to use x as an alternate to add numbers. The syntax to declare a function as an expression would be that you say that there is a variable which is like here let x equal to, and then I say function, then I do not require the function name. Why? Because now x will be used as the alternate name for that. So we don't require that add numbers name. I can simply have xy, and I will then have the return statement x plus y. So this is giving me the exact result as the above. So I would say console.log and x, pass the variables, pass the arguments that are required, and I will get the same result as here. So here the function 1 to 3, line numbers 1 to 3, which is defining or declaring a function add numbers, and the line number 7 have exactly same meaning. It is just that here function is being used as an expression. So we can also say that here x is being used, the variable x is being used to store the function, and the function is being treated as an expression. This function is called using the variable name. For example, let's say that this function does not take any arguments and it does a simple console.log, let's say called. Now you will see that this is being called, you are getting a called, and I am just, because I do not need to pass anything, right? So if I do this, then you will notice that once I say console.log x, what is being represented by x? X is representing the entire function. It does not represent the value of this function. So that is why when you call x, you get the function. Notice here on the console, it says f, which is a function, and it is writing the whole function here. So when you call the function stored in a variable without a parenthesis, it will give you the function. When you call it with the function parenthesis, that is when you will see the output of the function. Let's say it returns a string hello, and then you say console.log x. This is returning a function, but when you call it with the right syntax, which is using the parenthesis, now you should see the value of the function. That is, the function is executed, its executed value is stored in x, and then you are seeing the value here.